Hey, my name is Paul, and I'm one of the co-founders of Let's Meal Prep app, along with my wife, Amy. We built the Meal Prep app to empower people, empower you, empower everybody we can to cook simple and healthy. Now, I know you're thinking you can find a lot of recipes on Pinterest and food blogs and other things like that, but they are just littered with ads and stories and stuff that you don't need that just gets in your way, and it gets really frustrating when you are trying to cook fast. For one, scroll back up and find the ingredients, scroll back down to where you are at. Meanwhile, this ad pops up, or an ad for a newsletter, or an ad for a story, something that you didn't really want, or it totally reset and you're back at the top. So we built this app to have three separate things. We've got a shopping list that you can take to the grocery store, because we know how anxiety-ridden that can be. So we have a shopping list where we have 3 recipes that you can buy all the ingredients for, or you can just pick one or pick 2 and just buy the ingredients for that one. Number 2, we've got our recipe in a swipe and cook mode. So you just swipe up and every step has got the measured ingredients that you need for that step. You don't have to go back to an ingredient list. You just swipe and cook. And when you're done, there are nutrition facts for every recipe that we put out there. It tells you the protein, the carbs, the fats, the sugar, the saturated fats, the fiber, everything that you would need to keep your nutrition on point. All of our recipes give you about 4 or 5 servings. So when you're done, you've got about 4 or 5 servings of one meal that you can have for the entire week. This week, since me and Amy split our meals, we have 2 meals each. This week, I've got a cilantro and lime honey chicken. I've placed it into this bowl. I've got a nice portion of protein. I got some quinoa, a little bit more protein and starch in the grain, and then I've got my veggies here at the bottom. I put this in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm done. And it would really alleviate a lot of stress for us, and also it controlled our portions, controlled our weight, and we ended up eating more nutrient-dense meals that were not hard to make. So I'd urge you to check out our app. It's completely free to download. You'll get 12 recipes to get started. And if you feel like you want to continue, then you can still get another 7 days free of all of our recipes, about 200 plus. And we add about 3 to 4 every week. We do a nifty little video like this with all of them. You can continue for as low as $8.99 a month. We think that's a great value to get all these recipes right there, ready, set to go, so that you get empowered in the kitchen. You can cook simple and healthy meals fast and quickly. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.